Alright, for number 8, we have some kind of triangle. So something like this. And we have 3 angles. So let's let this angle here be x, this one here be y, and let's this one be z. So immediately we know that x plus y plus z, the interior angles of a triangle has to add up to 180 degrees. Okay, and they also give us the information that the 2 angles in the triangle, the difference between them is 11 degrees. So pick 2 of the 3 angles in the triangle, so any of the 2. So let's pick x and y. So x minus y has to equal 11 degrees, the difference between these 2 angles. And we also know that the sum of the same 2 angles, so x and y, because we chose x and y, that has to equal 77. So x plus y equals to 77 degrees. And based on the information, we have to find the measures of all 3 angles in the triangle. Okay, so what does this look like? This looks like there's 2 variables and 2 equations. So we can actually use what we learned in this chapter, the method of substitution. So let's isolate for x, and we get at both sides 2y, and we get 11 degrees plus y. Substitute this into the other equation, and we get 11 degrees plus y equals to 77 degrees. So collect like terms, y plus y equals to 2y, and subtract both sides by 11 degrees, and we get 77 degrees minus 11 degrees. So 2y has to equal 77 degrees minus 11 degrees, which equals 66 degrees. Divide both sides by 2, and we get y equals to 66 degrees over 2, which then equals to 33 degrees. Sub this in to the other equation, and we get y equals to 11 degrees plus 33 degrees, which then equals to 44 degrees. So now we know what x and y is. Now we have to solve for z. And we know that x plus y plus z equals 180. But x plus y, which is right here, equals to 77 degrees, the sum of those 2 angles. So when we substitute that, we get 77 degrees plus z equals to 180 degrees. Because x plus y, the sum, equals to 77. Okay, so subtract both sides by 77, so 180 degrees minus 77 degrees. And that therefore equals to 103 degrees. So therefore the 3 angles are 33 degrees from the smallest to greatest, so 33 degrees, 44 degrees, and finally 103 degrees.